Hey, Larry. What's up, Larry?
It's Sparky.
Well,
Remember?
Sparky. Yes, this is Sparky.
Eh.
This is Larry, the cute little goat. Come here, Larry.
Oh, are you eating me both? You guys are
Larry.
both eating me. You guys are both eating me. You're eating me.
That's Larry.
You're hanging around, aren't
Larry,
you?
come here. Come here.
Hey, Larry.
Hey, Sparky.
Sparky and Larry are so
This is
silly.
Sparky.
So, Larry
This
and
is
Sparky.
Larry.
Little nubs.
Larry, come
Hey, you want to eat my finger?
here. We called our other La Mancha goat nubs. As you see, these are the same type because they have nubs for ears. Smile at the camera. Hey, is my boot tasty? Come here. Look, it's called a camera.
They're eating you.
You should.
Do you like to eat Dylan?
Why are you guys eating my clothes? You're not supposed to eat my clothes.
You can try and chew on the boots, but you can't eat
Suck my finger.
everything. Can't eat Dylan's clothes. Those are Dylan's tuxedo pants. He doesn't want a
Goats?
little baby.
Baby goats often
bit
suck
over you.
fingers
You're so little.
because
You're
it
such a silly little
looks like a nipple.
Ah, he's
Goats like
peeing.
to suck on.
He's peeing.
He's sucking on you.
He's urinating. Hey, little one.
And their eyes are square. I mean rectangled. Like their pupils.
Ah. Do you want to see the Dylan?
Probably see that, yes. Yes, you can. They're so cute. Say hi, Larry.